Primetime news this evening. What are the protocols? Doctors and lawyers upset about red tape in communication leading up to Jody and Ferron's autopsy. Ready or not? Renewed concerns about local hospitals' COVID-19 preparedness. And curfew ends. 24-hour curfew in St. Catherine to be lifted tomorrow. Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, we have the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what's been your experience doing more activities online during COVID-19?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.